To draw a phase line for a direction field, we use one symbol to represent each range of y above, below, between, and on asymptotes in which y prime is equal to 0. Since y prime, the slope, is solely dependent on the y value in most cases, we simply make all the slopes that are negative a downward arrow. All the slopes that are positive are upward arrow. Horizontal tick lines, when the slope is 0, can be represented with a dot. These are the values for which the slope is 0. We can just indicate one slope for each region. Since we know that these are the values for which the slope is 0, we can draw dots on them. We know that when y0 is below -3, it has a positive slope, so we draw an up arrow. When it's between -2 and -3, it has a negative slope, so we can draw a down arrow. When it's between -2 and 2, it has a positive slope, so we can draw an up arrow. And when it's above 2, it has a negative slope, so we can draw a down arrow. I'd also like to mention that a stable equilibrium solution is when the slopes above it are negative and the slope below it are positive, as shown here. An unstable equilibrium solution is when the slopes point away from it. So when the slopes above it are positive and the slopes below it are negative. And a semi-stable or neutral equilibrium is when the slopes below it and above it both have a negative slope, or above it and below it both have a positive, as shown.